Ebushafo Mayuma Akwaba Eba Ghana Sem TV GH Mesrel like, comment, subscribe. Then on notification also so that anytime you post a video bit say we are Kebi. Ebushafo Aban we omunye transparent nkwa. Omunye transparent. Hey, na Felix Fosu kwache. You think so you can keep things hidden from Ghanaians forever and as I say. Ubo. Share. In this social media technological world, who person find sensem SC Ghana for? How long were you thinking say you are going to hide things from Ghanaians? Ebusianfo, not knowing all. Almost 1 year ni. Yeah, mami, former Chief Justice Sophia Akufo were resigning from Council of State. Almost 1 year new. Like almost the latter part of last year. Now, latter part of last year, a third quarter of last year, and fourth quarter of last year, a year October, November, December. It means October. It's October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June. 9 months, almost 1 year. Mamina resigning from Council of State. Now you can understand why she would have resigned. But Mikra Mejin said her resignation about too late. Mamini resignation about too late. Because here Mami Sophia Akufo ye can say Ebra ye di CJ Tokono Asemeko Council of State honum, she abstained herself from voting. And you abstaining who because on him say Adia Mahama yeno, President Mahama yeno, and yet good is not right, it's not the best way forward. And from there now I was expecting say she would have followed it up a year with resignation. Because the way a manner omudi dealing with CJ Tokonono, it was not fair. It was not right. It was unfathomable. It was unthinkable. It was strange. But I mean, she still persisted a little bit. Now I said, I understand her. Obi CJ, former CJ, with all that reputation. Ultimate Continental Council of State, so allegedly obi free okra, obi okra, or fraud. She won't feel fine to still sit there. So I understand her decision. But again, I then a nipa were resigning almost 1 year near. Felix Fosu kwache wamba bekachire. Omunim say a big scandal. A vote of no confidence. A vote of no confidence. I mean, person said, "Dia buying we yeno." Ni conscience ain't me man the conscience still on thing now a council of state member because a buying way their nema omuyeno or what Ghana phone intro number 1 and number 2 or they are destroying the very fabric. Now who are buying them poor who sorry so casano then they will send their attack dogs behind against you. And they say, oh, your software now mudi pentecost software penino mukai obekasa abagalam say no ho na Mary ewusi omwanli she no say mukọ atake Kufuor, former President Kufuor no mwanli she kitchen blogger no say go and attack President Kufuor, right? That is the trait. And what can I say, even when CJ former CJ Mamino or abstaining in who Council of State, there were NDC communicators who came and kept attacking the woman. The woman who is a former CJ, John Mahama is just like appointing what a Council of State. And Timamino was watching some phone, person some phone, doesn't want to be part of this government, a Kotumpo government in that government, and that Ghana for they say ye June cry and Tiasie or mine quenim, Brianna ye bre, a common a dinkro for light also knew why ye Juma. She's tired. She does not want to be a part of it again. Shame on this NDC government. Namudisi. Eza, namudisi, mbese yehu. Oh, yachimu. Oh, yachimu. All these months na mami ni council of state bill. Eti kofo ma bodua omodi mami ni din kan on say say omko dani dua no ma mami no nko. Because kofo bi o ma bodua. Almost some of the decisions yes council of state edi advisor so advise o mampeni no. Omu nti asenti omu bodua. Enti nyina say omko dani no ma mami no. Oh, NDC. Mo. Everybody will see you for who you are. So I can catch them. Say very soon, no, Ghanaians will see the true colors of the umbrella. We are seeing the true colors. Yeah.
National schools are a good some of the area or Kuti region especially. These people have been voting NDC since Ghana, Ghana. The schools on my team. And 2 years, Santinina we be our partner. Yo, yama NDC me dominate ya region there. Ya na omombra ubehu ohebubu ebechimo. Ohebubu ebechimo. Munya party papa or bar shadi oyem region. STEM school are STEM schools. Hospitals are hospitals. Roads are roads. No biafa home, ni privilege, ni laziness, ni miko difufu asamako twaba. Miko difufu, miko wafufu asamako twaba. I miko wafufu, mohwe bia obi, bia nipa dasani okoch adie. We could safe. In 2026, look at the conditions their kids are going to school. Where junior high school.
Open the main door for me, please. Open the door.
2026, and these people voting.
Watch him.
Only about boss to some trauma NDC. Mama Day, how can we change this? What we can really do is say, you bring your videos, no. We will spread the word, spread the message. Because everyone who normally someone thing.
Obia Trobi be trying or can't be or say please don't pity them.
Don't pity them. Even though as MPP we do, because at the end of the day, no, we are developing Ghana, and yet MPP for no, we're going to use
please.
this we MPP.
No problem.
And yet MPP no, we will use social media to spread the truth. No create any better Ghana for. Yeah, to say omu timer, social media spread the propaganda and in trunk we'll use this social media to expose them. Oh yeah, what they just said to Jackacho say, and then MPP
Thank you.
Now and now, thank God for social media. Thank God for social media. And I go Abrokwa or Tijimkra or TikTok. Yebe so yebe man ko fanko yebe twa put pictures omno oko wa mama de I don't person be twa pictures I don't person be twa but we have to find ways and means to get picture can help my way na yini nkofo omunya MP na mama de no we jawo
ka set me wa Ben Dave
mama de ene omunya be di MP pa no mo ref no mo tinkra no omumba eko school papa now oti me say gabi wo so oti rigigo na me promoting anados and also still me nkofo no ekoto ma NDC we prime minim class hospital square wo home po a mo hwe kojo opon kroma. How many years do we the MP? She score akosi one region. Yes. How many years that Kojo Opon has become a member of parliament?
Watch him. Come
on. So if someone sits here and tell me that these people cannot do it and make it way and make it sense, they can do it. They just don't want to do it. Now when you're a binu matches, I want you yes, be any say, Obi live as other Trump wasem. Call live as na koya idea, Obi invite to Obi a fraud. Massa, go to those constituencies. Near Fancher, who's a bender hotel? Some poco what's baby, no school because MP because it's a school. No, what's here the cancer? It's not a matter of laughing. This is 2026. Obi school no, and say teacher Nico for dia and a school no so I'm on school. And you are sitting here laughing, thinking it's a joking matter. You are sitting here laughing. Said you said
Mama Marcus, I summarizing in our mind.
Massa, we're trying to develop a nation. We're not trying to develop stupidity. We are not developing stupidity. We are developing a nation. See, who developing nation now? So come on when you break. Mama, they have in Mafukoma Yabetsney. Well, a mercy, sir, I'm sorry, a development nation. They stood up and got rid of stupidity because they wanted to build their nation.
I remember already history. And very normal education here, free man. Because some people will be here.
Multi episode. You don't use it for Master. Don't even mention my name down there because you're stupid.
To me,
Mama, it's too much.
So Moro,
yes.
What you should rather help me?
Yes, which is the breakdown.
To ask Sammy.
How much are we spending on this
agency?
agency?
From Jubilee House. Is what accounts for that difference? Mind you, the 326 million Akufo-Addo was spending in 2024, they touted it as exorbitant.
What was the context then?
They claim the context was that Akufo-Addo has appointed 1,000 plus MPP people at the office of the president, and was spending a whooping 326 million Ghana cedi on them. So with your lesser figures, we first of all expect a downward grade in the 326.
But you see that?
No, please let me finish. You gave my brother an unfair. Let me finish and you come in.
Let
me finish. I don't even want your help. I don't want your help at this point. Let me do my analysis. We were first of all expecting a downward trend in the 326 million to start with.
Why?
You said Akufo-Addo was insensitive. He was spending too much.
Yes.
And he had so many people working with. He was working with.
But
and
how much of the 2.5 billion that
today
is spent on presidential staff?
I am telling you today that Moro, you and I expected a reduction in the 326 million because we were told that Akufo-Addo was spending too much, even on the 1,000.
Right.
So there are two fronts to which the reduction should come. First of all, you are doing lesser numbers, so you wouldn't need 326 million to spend on them. Secondly, Akufo-Addo was insensitive. He was just living a luxurious life at the office of the president. So on that front, there should be another reduction in terms of the 326 million. So on two fronts, we expected a reduction in the 326. That aside, what is accounting for the almost 2.4 billion Ghana cedis we are spending? And the argument is that certain ministries and agencies have been drawn and being catered for under the office of the president. to deceive who? Now to conclude, that Akufo-Addo spent all that, yet delivered a failed economy. That economy was able to pay cocoa farmers 3,100 cedis per bag of cocoa. Today, with your 2,500 cedis, you are not even able to pay them since October, December, up to this point. That failed economy of Akufo-Addo, with inflation around 23%, dollar doing around 14 cedis, fuel doing around 14 cedis as well, we're paying 25% less of electricity. The variables that are used to determine utility prices, exchange rates, inflation, fuel prices, you claim that this administration has done better in those three variables. Yet our electricity bill is high, we're unable to pay. Our water bill is high, we're unable to pay. And that administration that presided over a failed economy, Moro, was able to implement its flagship program, and it benefited every home in the country. Your 24-hour economy that you promised, with a better economy you claim you are delivering, what has become of your 24-hour economy? You are now telling us that you are going to build markets and we are going to sell cassava for 24 hours. Another person went to the Public Accounts Committee and told us that Mankesim is a hub of cocoa. So if a Kumfi is able to get 24-hour economy market, there will be a spillover of cocoa from Mankesim to Ekonfi. So people of Ekonfi will sell kako for 24 hours. That economy is unable to deliver your promise to the Ghanaian youth. That economy is unable to deliver your Women's Development Bank. That economy, today, we have seen the surge in fuel prices. So which economy have you built? How many people have you employed? How many people's lives have you made better? BEC children who are now paying to write BEC, or the students at the Legon campus who there is a proposed 90% increment in their hostel facility fee. Please, these are the facts of the matter. You can tell the Ghanaian you are doing fewer numbers, but the final analysis in how much you are expending from our coffers do not support your argument. And the pseudo and parallel appointment you have made defeats your purpose of a so-called lean government and your failure to deliver your flagship programs. And the struggle of the ordinary Ghanaian today and the plight of the cocoa farmer amongst other people. So which economy? And who is benefiting? Maybe people at Jubilee House are benefiting. Because of course, 2.711 billion Ghana cedi being expended at Jubilee House, you wouldn't even feel the plight of the Ghanaian who is doing over 25% electricity price. You wouldn't feel the plight of the Ghanaian whose cocoa has not been paid, despite the haircut. So let's pay out the numbers and let's rather look at the critical issues and how the Ghanaian can benefit from the so-called better government and lean government.
So